In today's video, I'm talking about one thing that you really need to know when you're shooting travel sequences. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about travel sequences and the one thing that you need to remember when you're filming these. Now, let's say you're shooting a travel sequence. Your character is traveling from one part of London to another. Now, it's always really important to make sure that your character travels in one specific direction. This means if they leave the frame from left to right at the beginning, all of the shots afterwards should be left to right as well. So let me show you a quick example. Here we have two wide shots. The character is going to run from left to right in both shots. Now there you go, that looked really nice, really seamless. The character was traveling from left to right. There was continuity between both of these shots and it works really well. Now, look what happens if we run from left to right in the first shot and right to left in the second shot. It looks really weird. It looks as if the character has changed their mind. They didn't want to go to the second location and they wanted to go back. It's jarring, it's ugly, and it's really, really easy to avoid. So the next time you're shooting a travel sequence, the next time your character is traveling through the scene towards a destination, make sure they're always traveling in the one direction. Don't keep switching the direction, keep to that 180 rule, keep them traveling in the one direction, and you should have really nice continuity between your shots. This is a really quick and really simple tip, but it's super important. So if you found this useful at all, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.